At Chameleon Style, we're always thinking of creative ways you can change up your home easily and affordably. So this Mother's Day, or just spring, to celebrate spring and the freshness of life, we're showing you an easy way to have a remote tea for two party. And all it requires is 3/4 of a yard of a really cheerful fabric, and I'm measuring off 3/4 of a yard of decorator fabric. And the reason why it should be decorator fabric, and this is a beautiful chintz from Madcap Cottage, and decorator fabric is 54 inches wide. And then what we're going to do is we're going to trim off the selvage, the white part here. And we'll do that both sides. And then we're going to just divide our 54-inch wide fabric into 2 squares. Okay. And you don't even need a sewing machine for this, and you're going to see where I'm going with this. To finish the edges, you can use a pinking shear, or you can just use Fabri-Tac glue and turn under the edge. It's washable, and that way you'll have a nice finished edge. And now I'm going to show you what you do with these lovely squares. Now with your 2 27 by 27 inch squares that are finished whatever way you want, these make wonderful little centerpieces for your spring table on point. So a round table, square table, and you can send the other one to your mom or your best friend and have a remote tea party.